Good morning everyone, my name is Johnson and this is jlani'health, and in this video I'll be showing you guys a killer morning push-up routine to really get your upper body right. Call it like an intro to calisthenics. These are all like high intensity but not like fast motion movements. Like these movements will really like help you increase your body control and really get you, like you practice these things and it really gets you to the next level. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so first start by making my protein shake. Just ran into a little problem. So we don't have the ingredients we need. So I'm about to make a quick store run and I'll be right back. Just got to my local Trader Joe's, about to get the ingredients for our protein shake this morning. Alright guys, so back from our store run. Today's ingredients will include for our protein shake Irish sea moss, and sea moss is known for its cleansing properties. It also includes 92 out of the 102 minerals your body's composed of, and it contains a rich nutrient called potassium chloride that helps alleviate inflammation from the body and congestion. We got here some blueberries, rich in antioxidants, strawberries, also rich in antioxidants. We'll be doing walnuts again, whole walnuts, which are a great source of omega-3s. They're also rich in antioxidants. They also promote gut health and weight loss. Unsalted sunflower seeds. These are a great source of vitamin E and also rich in antioxidants. We'll be doing the Sun Warrior protein again, 27 grams per serving, so I'll take 2 scoops. And finally, for our milk, we'll be using almond milk. Well, won't be able to use the sea moss because it's spoiled, just found out. But yeah, everything else. Alright, so it turned out pretty well. I'm gonna drink this, and 15 minutes later, I'm gonna get into the workout. Alright guys, the 15 minutes are up. And for today's push-up routine, we will be doing circle push-ups, power push-ups, regular push-ups, but like slow and controlled to really increase the intensity. And we'll be doing slow and controlled diamond push-ups. Let's get into it. Alright, so here guys, we're gonna start with a circle push-up. Maintain your speed consistently all the way through and maintain proper form. Alright, after a 10-second rest, now we're doing slow and controlled regular push-ups. We're going to do 15 of these and lean forward a little bit to really put the weight on your arms. Now we're going to be doing 15 diamond push-ups. Lean forward a little bit to really activate every part of your upper body, like the last set of push-ups we did. Now we're going to be doing power push-ups. Try to put as much force as you can into every push-up. Alright guys, so we did 1 circle push-up, 15 regular slow and controlled push-ups, 15 diamond push-ups, and 10 power push-ups. Now repeat that 3 more times and that'll be the workout. Alright guys, a short little recap of what we did today. We started off by making the protein shake, well, we had to go run and get the ingredients. But yeah, we made the protein shake, which included walnuts, sunflower seeds, almond milk, Sun Warrior protein, blueberries, and strawberries. It was supposed to have sea moss too, but the sea moss was spoiled, so we couldn't use that. And then for our push-up routine, we did a circle push-up, we did 15 regular slow and controlled push-ups, 15 diamond push-ups, slow and controlled, and we did 10 power push-ups. We repeated that 4 times, 4 sets, and that was today's workout. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Help support the YouTube algorithm for me, please. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.